Hi, my name is Lian Carlo F. Ulsa, a graduating fourth year student from Wesleyan University, Philippines, with a strong interest in digital and administrative roles. I have developed skills in communication, research, data organization, and attention to detail through academic work and training. I also completed test training, which helped me strengthen my practical skills in digital tools and work readiness in a professional environment. Through my studies and projects, I've gained experience in handling research and data interpretation tasks, where I learned how to analyze and present information in a clear and structured way. I am currently seeking opportunities as a virtual assistant or in a related roles where I can contribute efficiency, organization, and quality output. Thank you for your time and consideration. God bless.